Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 2.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to learn past tense and its four forms. Today we are going to learn past tense and its four forms. In the previous class, we have already written down the formulae for past tense. Remember? Did you learn the formulas? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So what is the formula for simple past tense? What is the formula?
Subject plus
Subject
plus
past form
plus past form of the verb
the verb plus
plus object.
Very good. Excellent. Okay. Okay. Subject plus past form of the verb plus object.
object.
Okay. So if you see here in my sentences, I have used the formula sentences. I woke up late for the meeting. Sam knew the place since childhood. I did the work last night. She drank hot water. He drew a beautiful scenery. Now your woke, knew, did, drank, drew. These are a past form of the verbs. Yes? These are the past form of the verb. What is the present form of the verb?
He draw.
Yes, go ahead, wake.
He wake.
Yes.
Uh,
Woke.
no. Woke up.
He woke up.
My question is, what is the past form of sorry, 1 minute. Okay, let me.
No.
1 minute, 1 minute. Wake, woke. Now your two are remaining, right? Wake, woke.
Waking.
Okay.
Waking.
So what is the third form?
Wake.
No.
Woke.
Wake.
No.
Waked.
Woke.
Woken.
Woken.
Okay. Wake, woke, woken, waking.
Woke.
New.
No.
No.
New.
No. No.
No.
No.
No. New. Knowing.
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 Did. Do. Did. Done.
Done. Doing.
Do, did, done, doing.
Drink. Drank. Drinking.
Done, doing.
Drinking. Okay.
Drink,
Drew.
Draw.
Sorry. Draw.
Draw.
drive,
Drew.
Draw. Drew. Draw.
Drawing.
Drawing.
drew,
Okay.
drewed,
Not do. This is rude.
drawing.
Who is this Drew drawing? See, I've written.
Zahra.
Zahra, see what is written on the board before answering. It is there on the board. Okay, all these sets of words, please tell me whether they are regular verbs or irregular verbs.
Regular.
Regular verbs?
Irregular verbs.
Irregular verbs? Why they are irregular verbs? Why they are irregular verbs?
Because past past tense and the
Not past tense, past form of the verb and the past
form of the
and
past participle form of the verb is does not end with the ed or ied.
Very good, Niranjana. The past form of the verb and the past participle form of the verb does not ends with ed, died. Very good. Okay. Now, the next one here question is, which are finite verbs? Which are the verbs?
New,
Woke
up.
Very good. Woke, knew, did, drank, and drew. Very good. Okay.
Walk, knew, did,
drank, drew.
Very good. Now we'll go to the next one, which is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. What is the next one? So formula for past continuous tense: subject
Subject
and object.
plus past form of the verb plus object.
Or
Subject plus
Subject
was,
was,
verb plus
subject
present
was
participle
plus
form
present participle
of the
form
verb
plus
plus object.
very good.
Verb
Listen.
plus
1 minute. 1 minute.
verb plus
Am,
object.
is, and are. Past form is was and were. Okay.
I
Am,
can't
is,
see
are.
what you are writing in the board.
You cannot see.
It is coming very slowly.
Yeah, because probably you must. Everybody is facing the same issue.
It is taking very much
No,
time.
ma'am.
I think Megha,
No,
you
ma'am,
have.
I can see it.
I
But
can see,
ma'am, the
ma'am.
internet is full speed here.
Ma'am, it takes little bit time to come the next page.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Listen. Let's concentrate here. If it is taking time, I've restarted the share again. If it's still taking time, then you have to leave the class and join back.
There is no problem.
Okay, subject was, were. Am is a past form is was, were. Present participle form of the verb plus object. So we are using, see, when do we use was and were? When we are talking about singular noun and singular pronoun. When we are talking about singular noun and singular pronoun, we use was. With
ING form.
Listen, with I, we use was. With I, we use was. But with you, we use were. But with you, we use were. And with plural pronouns, we use were. Okay? Clear, everyone? You cannot say I were or she were. No. I was, she was. You were, they were. Okay? Here we have teaching, cooking, going, playing, raining. These are the past participle form of the verb. Okay? So, I was teaching English grammar. She was cooking when I reached home. Priya was going for a walk yesterday. They were playing cricket last week. Ram went home early as it was raining heavily. Okay? If you see in these sentences, teaching, cooking, going, playing, and raining are a past present participle form of the verb. So now we have not done. Can you tell me the present form of the verb raining? Rain.
Rain. Rain.
Second one, past form.
Rained.
Rain, past participle form.
Rain.
Ro
Road. Megha, please don't. Not who is this going to?
Rain.
Who is this going now? From where did you get this going?
Rained, raining.
Very good. Who is this one?
Zahra.
Zahara.
Good. Please don't create your own verbs, okay? Please don't create your own verbs. Because there are, even in the irregular verb, they don't have going to rain. Okay? Now, teaching.
Teach. Teaching. Taught. Teached.
Teach.
1 minute. Everyone, please. Megha, please answer me. Because Megha is very eagerly waiting every time to answer wrong. Megha, please answer.
Teach. Teaching.
Teaching will come where, Megha? First tell me.
In the base form.
In the base form, teaching will come.
No, teach.
Teach, okay. Now tell the second one.
Past form will be teached.
Teach. Guys, what is the past form for teach?
Taught.
Taught.
Megha, it is taught. Okay, first thing. Wait, now. Everybody mute. Megha, what is the past participle form of teach?
Taught.
Thank you, Megha. What is the present participle form of teach? What is the present participle?
Teaching.
Who answered that? I have told you don't answer.
Yeah,
Let Megha try. Because Megha is not at all thinking and she's just answering whatever she feels like. Amal,
Yes, ma'am.
cook.
Cook. Cooking.
So what is the first one? What is the first one? Present form.
Ma'am.
What is the present form, Amal? Can you hear me, Amal?
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me what is the present form of the verb? Cooking. Please tell Amal. Even if you're wrong, there is no problem, right? Please tell. Cook.
Cook.
Cook. What is the past form?
Cooked.
Cooked? No, cooked. What is the past participle form? Cooked. And cooking. Going. Going.
Go.
Go. Megha, what is the past form of going?
Gone.
Ayan, what is the past form of go?
ma'am, can Zahra say?
Zara, please wait.
Ma'am, can I Ashwin?
Wait, Ashwin. Christo, what is the past form of go?
Went.
Who answered? Christo or somebody else?
Krista.
Okay.
So,
Megha, you write all this, which I'm giving the 4 forms. Now you write daily. Okay, you are getting confused with these 4 forms every time. Went. What is the past participle of the verb go, Megha? Megha, go past participle form.
Gone.
Gone. Okay. If now anybody forgets these 4, you will write 100 times, these 4. I'll make you write all the verbs 100 times. I'll daily send you all many verbs and you'll write that. Sit and write. Understood? Now, next one. Subject plus had. Has and have. Past form is had. Has and have. Past form is had. Plus past participle form of the verb. Plus object. So I had broken my arm last year. I had broken my arm last year. She had eaten the cake yesterday night. Do you all know what is the meaning of yesterday night? Do you all know what is the meaning?
Yesterday in the night.
Very good. Who is that smarty? Yesterday in the night. Very good.
Krista.
Yes, yesterday night is yesterday in the night. Yesterday night is already, it's yesterday night, okay? They had met at the party. Karen and Kiran had gone for a walk. They had lived on Earth long before, dinosaurs had lived on Earth long before man appeared. Okay. Now, Megha, what is the base form or the present form of the verb gone?
Base. Go.
Second one,
Went.
went. And the last one,
Going.
going. Now, clear, Megha?
Yes, ma'am.
Broken.
Broke.
Everyone, broken.
Broke.
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 break,
Break.
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 Broken.
Broken.
Breaking.
Breaking.
Met. Met.
Met.
Meet.
Meet. Met. Met. Meeting.
Met. Very good,
Meeting.
Megha.
Meeting.
Meeting.
Live.
Meeting.
Lived.
Live.
Live.
Live. Live.
Living.
Very good. Okay. This is the way you all have to say live, 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 living. Whichever verb I ask. Okay. Now, which are our finite verbs?
Heartbroken.
Heartbroken.
Had
Very good. It is very simple. You just have to use had and you have to use a past participle form of the verb. Everyone has learned the formulas by heart, right? Now, the third one,
Yes.
past perfect continuous tense. The third one, past perfect continuous tense. Subject plus had plus been plus present participle form of the verb plus object. So Jack had been waiting for his grandparents since last night. Jack had been waiting for his grandparents since last night. Yesterday it had been raining heavily. They had been dancing for hours. He had not been practicing for the competition. Tia had not been living near our house. Okay. So in all these sentences, we have had plus been plus present participle form of the verb. If this one was past, sorry, if this one was present, okay, if this one was present, what will be the formula here? What will be the change here? Tell the proper formula. What will be the change?
Subject plus
Plus has and or have plus
or have plus
be
present
Participle form of the verb plus object. Subject plus.
verb plus object.
okay. Now everyone, once again we will revise these. Simple past tense, the formula is subject plus past form of the verb plus object. Past continuous tense, subject plus was verb plus present participle form of the verb plus object. Past perfect tense, subject plus had plus past participle form of the verb plus object. Past perfect continuous tense, subject plus had plus been plus present participle form of the verb plus object. Okay. Now, I will ask anybody to give me the formula and I will ask anybody to give me the sentence also. Okay. Now, Devdutt, can you give me the formula for simple past tense? Switch on your cameras.
Ma'am,
Start, Devdutt.
ma'am, I am not well, so that's why my video is off.
Okay, Zero. Devdutt, we cannot hear you. Devdutt, there is a problem. Akshit,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the formula for simple past tense?
Simple past tense,
Yes.
subject plus past
Yes.
form of the verb plus object.
Very good. Kashi, give me a sentence with simple past tense. Kashi, give me a sentence with simple past tense.
My father gave me a gift
Very good, Kashi. Very good. My father gave me a gift. Okay.
yesterday.
Very good. No need of yesterday. My father gave me a gift. Gave itself is telling us it is in which tense. Yes or no? With gave, we can understand it is in which tense. So what is the present form of the verb gave? What is the present form of the verb gave? Give. Very good. Give. Yes.
Give.
Who is this gave shouting? Give, gave, given, giving. Okay. Give, gave, given, giving. Okay, everyone. Now, Second one, past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Catherine. Past continuous tense. Unmute, Catherine. Unmute. Unmute. Zara, can you tell me the past continuous tense formula if you can? Zara? Okay, Niranjana, tell.
Subject plus had or have plus been.
I'm
Plus-
telling past continuous tense.
Subject plus has or have plus past participle form of the verb plus
Where, one
object.
minute, 1 minute. Where do we have has and have in the past form? Do we have has and have in the past form? Tell me. My question is, what is the formula for
Subject plus was or were past were plus participle form of the present participle form of the verb plus object.
I think Farhan answered this, right? Yes, no?
Farhan.
Yes, good Farhan. Can you repeat little louder?
Yes, ma'am. Subject plus was were plus present participle form of the verb plus object.
Very good, Farhan. Now, can anybody give, please remember in the past continuous tense, we will have subject, was and were, plus past participle form of the verb plus object, okay? Now, can anybody give me one sentence for past continuous tense? One sentence.
I was having a beautiful gown.
I was having a beautiful gown. Very good, Megha. What will be the base form of your verb, present form?
Was.
Your verb is having here, right?
Yes.
Past participle form of the verb. No, having, right?
Yes.
I was having.
Having.
So, having. What is the base form of having?
Have.
Have. What is the past form of have? Had.
Had.
Past participle form? Had.
Had.
Okay, got it? Now, formula for past perfect tense. Formula for past perfect tense. Akshit,
Ma'am,
yes. Akshit,
I can tell
yes, Akshit.
subject plus had plus past participles form
Participle form of the verb.
of the verb plus object.
Very good. Give me one sentence with past perfect tense. One sentence.
Past perfect tense.
Yes, Akshit. Fast, Akshit.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Niranjana.
I had a beautiful puppy.
I had a beautiful puppy. Where is the past participle form of the verb? This is your simple past tense, Niranjana. I had a beautiful puppy. Okay. Yes, Ain.
I had my lunch at 3 o'clock.
Again, simple past tense. I had my lunch at 3 o'clock. There is no past participle form of the verb in your sentence. Where is Guruchit from last 2 days? Is not there.
He
He's having a fever.
Okay. Ashwin, can you tell me a sentence? Why most of you are not able to unmute? Yes, Ashwin, try now.
She had a fever yesterday.
He had fever. He had fever yesterday. She had no. He had. Who will tell me one sentence with present, sorry, past perfect tense? Past perfect tense. She had.
I had
had-
been waiting for you.
Hello, Zara. This is a present, sorry, past perfect continuous tense. Okay, past perfect continuous tense. I had my lunch earlier. I had my lunch earlier. Understood? I use had my lunch, had. Understood? No.
No.
Okay, I'll explain it. Can you see the screen? We are doing this formula, this one, right? Present of past perfect tense. Yes, no?
Yes.
She had eaten, or she had jumped. Yes? Yes? But now I will say one sentence. She had her lunch earlier in the afternoon. Did you all understand this sentence? I've used 2 times had. Can you see? One is as per the formula, we have to use had. One is the past participle form of the verb have. Understood now? She had have. So rather than using have, because we have to use the past participle form of the verb, I'm using had once again. Understood? Yes? No?
No.
Okay. One second. I'll explain. Did Megha said a sentence? I have. What was the Megha sentence? I was
having a beautiful gown.
having means you have a beautiful gown, right?
Yes.
I was having means you own a gown, right?
Yes.
Having means so like this way. I had. Rather than sometimes we say eaten or sorry. 1 second.
Yes.
1 minute, 1 minute. My pen has fallen. Okay, I'll explain you 1 minute. Okay. Do one thing. You'll think of this sentence and we'll discuss this sentence in the next class, okay? Everybody can write down in some paper and we will discuss this. Okay, I'll discuss this in the next class. Okay. Before that, listen, I want to discuss about the seminars. I want to discuss about the seminars. Those who all are ready with the seminar presentation, please tell me who all are ready with the presentation of the seminar. Nobody in the class? Nobody?
You didn't tell us to prepare.
I have told long back to prepare many and they did not prepare Megha. So please don't give me such excuse. Okay. Advait Rajiv, are you there?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Advait Rajiv.
Yes, ma'am.
You will prepare a seminar on regular and irregular verbs. Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
It will be on Saturday. If you don't prepare, I will mark you 0. No next chance. Okay.
Ma'am, I didn't hear.
If you don't prepare your seminar, you have 4 days. If you don't prepare, I'll mark you 0. Regular and irregular verbs. Okay. Now, Rayan Riju is there? Rayan Riju? No. Akshit? Akshit?
Yes, ma'am.
Akshit, you will present on parts of sentences. Parts of sentences. Sorry, parts of speech, Akshit. Okay?
Parts of speech.
Parts of speech. Okay? Anthony? Anthony Haron?
Yes.
You will present main verbs and helping verbs. Main verbs and helping verbs. Okay? All the girls have. Namzia? Namzia?
Yes, ma'am.
Namzia, you will present on gender. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Rishikesh is there? Rishikesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Rishikesh, you will present on degrees of comparison now. Degrees of comparison, okay? You all have to be ready. Joseph? Joseph?
Yes, ma'am.
Joseph will be presenting on regular and irregular verbs, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let me take down your attendance fast. Agnes is present. Ayan bin Afsal. Don't leave the class.
Present, ma'am.
9. Akshit. Amal. Ameya.
Al-Fayaz is present.
Ameya.
Present, ma'am.
Anthony Haron. Ashwin.
Present, ma'am.
Christo. Devananda.
Ma'am, Christo is present.
Devdutt. Ivan Matthew. Ivan Matthew. Ivana baby. Faihan.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Farhan.
Present, ma'am.
George. Guruchit. Jibi. Joseph.
Present, ma'am.
Wazim present. Kashi present. Catherine. Lionel.
Present, ma'am.
Megha. Adnan. Mohammad Adnan. Mohammad Akir is present. Niranjana. Nived.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Saldi. Randhir. Rishi. Ryan. Yes. I'm calling out the absentees' name. Please check your name in the list.
Ma'am, Namza is present.
Ivan Matthew, Ivana Baby, George, Guruchit, Jibi, Mohammad Adnan, Nived, Randhir, and Ryan. These are the absentees. You all have to be ready with the seminars.
And Nived is present.
Nived is present, okay. You all have to be ready with the seminars, okay? In the next class.
Nived is present.
Okay, Nived. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye-bye.
Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.